Hi, hello friends. I'm here sharing another subscription box. This time I've got this little blue box. For some reason my Walmart, my address got messed up or something, so I haven't received it in a while. So I'm finally receiving it again. So we're going to see what's in store in the Walmart. Now this box is, I believe, $6.50 a month. And you do get full-size products in here. Not all, some are samples, but it's just a way to try out different brands that Walmart sells. So anyway, let's get to it. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is called the Summer Lovin' Box. And it shows you inside all the different items that you can get. And we're going to see what I did get. Okay, so the first thing I see here is from Sally Hansen Salon. And this is a brush kit. I don't know how to get the look. Let's see here. Choose two of your favorite Sally Hansen polishes. Apply one coat of base color to entire nail. Apply accent color to the top of the nail. Use glitter and gradient brush to blend and polish. Blend the polish. So, I guess it's just brushes you can use instead of the polish brushes. So there's that. Let me see if there's a value on here for that one. The full size is $10.30. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is from number 7. And this is Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum. I have used number 7 before. I believe it's, I've used their, now I don't see this one. Oh, yes, I do see this one in here. Whoa. Now the full price, it's a full size and it's $19.99. So that's great value in this box. So for $6.50, I already got a $19.50 and a $10.50 item. Okay, so the next thing here is Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss by CoverGirl. Super cute. Isn't that cute? And this is a full size, and this is $7.98. So I like the color. Looks like it's got a real big doe foot, which I like. So there we go. So that's fun. Okay, there's that. The next thing I'm pulling out here is Falsies Surreal Mascara by, let's see, Maybelline. And this looks like it's probably not a full size. The full size is $9.99 of the mascara though. So let's take a look at that. Ooh, I like that. That's a real thick brush. I'm going to try that. I like it. Okay, so that was for our 5th and last item in here is a bronzer by Physicians Formula. Butter bronzer. And this is a full size and it's $15.99. It looks like a decent bronzer, so that's cool. So I didn't add all this up, but this box is probably close to $100 value for $6.50. So that's pretty good. So I got the Sally Hansen set set. This was 10 something. The bronzer, this was $19.99 for the number 7 serum. Okay, the Clean Fresh Gloss from CoverGirl, and the mascara. So I got a variety of makeup, serum, bronzer. So that's it for the Walmart Beauty Box. Have you ever tried the Walmart Beauty Box? It's worth a try for the price. You do get some good things in here. I've gotten some really valuable things before. So anyway, that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I will be back again with something else. Who knows, right? Temu, subscription box. I think I'm almost done with subscription boxes for June. So we're looking forward to July. But anyway, we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, friends. All right. Bye-bye.